This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So the first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. From here, among the available control panel shortcuts, find one that is responsible for the nearby share, and then touch and hold edit. In order to activate the feature, simply switch on this toggle over here, and now you can do such things as rename your device, make it visible or invisible respectively, as well as restrict its visibility to only your device's contacts or not restricted at all, and make it visible to whoever is currently in the range of, transferring files with you. And then finally, at last, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now let's test this feature out. So I happen to have another device on my hands right now, so I will try to send some picture from this Samsung phone to my Xiaomi through the nearby share, obviously, and see how well it performs. So as you can see, my Xiaomi was successfully found. Now I will connect to it, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the photo to get sent and received respectively, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.